Thinking about your next overseas trip and wondering if your YouTrip card can get you cold, hard foreign cash? The quick answer is, yes, you absolutely can. YouTrip is designed to be your best friend when traveling, and that includes getting cash when you need it. Your YouTrip card is a MasterCard, which means you can withdraw cash from virtually any ATM worldwide that displays the MasterCard, Maestro, or Cirrus logos. That covers millions of locations and over 150 currencies. Just remember, you cannot use it for ATM withdrawals in Singapore. Now, let's talk about the fees and limits, because this is where YouTrip shines. You get $400 worth of free foreign currency ATM withdrawals every single calendar month. That's fantastic for those small cash needs on your trip. Once you cross that 400 Singapore dollar threshold in a month, a small 2% fee will be applied to the withdrawal amount. But even with that fee, you're still getting YouTrip's excellent, zero markup wholesale exchange rate. You can withdraw up to 5,000 Singapore dollar daily, though the local ATM operator will likely have a lower per transaction limit. A crucial tip when you're at the ATM, always choose to be charged in the local currency. For example, if you're in Japan, choose to withdraw in Japanese yen, not Singapore dollars. This avoids something called dynamic currency conversion, or DCC, which often results in a poor exchange rate set by the ATM operator. So, to wrap up, yes, YouTrip is a great tool for overseas cash withdrawals. Look for the MasterCard logo, enjoy your 400 Singapore dollars fee-free monthly limit, and always select the local currency at the ATM. Happy travels!